everyone, today I'll be sharing with you the best banana bread recipe. To begin, we're going to combine 1 cup of sugar and our oil. Next, we're going to add our eggs. In total, we'll be using 2 eggs. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning viewer, don't forget to like the video and share as well. So I'm just adding some browning. You don't have to do this. I just did this because I like when my banana bread has a brown color. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of milk and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to add our sifted dry ingredients. Ensure that you sift your dry ingredients because this will help to make the bread have a nice, fluffy, light texture. Also, if you do not like oats in your banana bread, you can replace a 1/4 cup of oats with a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, we're going to add our mashed bananas. In total, 1 cup. That's about 3 medium bananas mashed together. You don't have to use a muffin pan, you can use a loaf pan instead or any tin that you desire. And I found out that using a 1/4 measuring cup helps a lot to have the right amount of batter for the muffins. This was the finished product. It came out really nice, light, moist, and fluffy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!